Assalamualaikum everyone, hope you all are fine. After a long time I'm making video relevant to basics of algebraic manipulation and formula. So just consider one question and then I will tell you a little bit basics relevant to it. The question is 15 x squared upon 20 x cube. So what we have to do, we have to solve this. Reduce it, cancel it, whatever. The question is that solve it. But before solving, we need to know a little bit basics. Like this x and this x, these two alphabets are called variables. I think so I should change the color to this. And you can see this x, this alphabet and this alphabet, both are called variables. And you can see there's something on this x and there is also something on the x. These two numbers on the alphabets or on the variables are called power of the variable. Okay, this one and here this one as well. So, and there you can see the numbers 15 and 20 with these alphabets. These numbers with the alphabet, or you can say with the variable, these are called this one and this one. Both are called coefficients. Okay, now you got it. Now I'm going to repeat it. You have two variables here. We call it variable. There is something on the top of these variables or called power of this x. The power of this x is 2, the power of this x is 3. Okay, we call it square and we call it cube. Okay, we will tell it later. And you can see the numbers with these variables, these are called coefficients. Okay, this one and this one. So I'm like writing this question again and we need to solve it. Over 20 x cube. Now there are some rules. You can see this 15 and this 20. You can just search if we have a table which we can through which we can cancel this 15 and this 20. We know that the 15 is coming in the table of 5 and 20 is also. So it will be cancelled by 5 3 times 15 and 5 4 times 20. This is cancelled like that. But how we can cancel this x to the power 3 and x to the power 2? The logic is that you can see the less number. You can see this variable x have the power 2, which is less than this x having the power 3. So what we can do, we can take this x, here is x cube, and we can put this x here with the minus sign. You can always take the lesser number towards the greater number. So this is the 3 which is greater. So I'm taking the above x, the above variable down with this x, and we will change the sign of the power. Now what we can do, we can add these powers like that. 3 over 4 x. But we will add the power. Here is a 3 minus 2. You understand this? Like it's like that. 3 plus minus 2. So plus minus is always minus. 3 minus 2. I will tell you the plus. When plus multiply with plus, it will be plus. When plus multiply by minus, it becomes minus. When minus multiply by plus, it's also minus. When minus multiplied by minus, it becomes plus. So this is some basic logic. So now what we will do, we will subtract this 2 with from this 3. We will get the answer 3 over 4 x to the power 1. So we should not need to put the power 1 on the x, because if you have x, it's obvious that its power is 1. Understand? If x is written like that, its power is like this is default, its power is 1. So the answer is 3 it's all this is the answer. So we need to know all the logics. So as it's a short video, so I'm not going to like put another question in it. We will make another question in another video. Okay, thank you so much for watching this.